Right, so Borg water shaft seal. Clean it off, take this pin out, obviously take the lever off. Right, we got those bits off. Right, you check your new seal is going to be the same as the one you're about to swap, which I think that seems to be okay. I'm just going to dig this one out with a little pick. Right, now I just want to try and see if I can get behind it with a couple of picks. Ooh. This might not be too bad. Oh wow, there you go. How easy was that? I thought that was going to put up a fight. Right. So you just rinse it out with a bit of brake cleaner. Get me a brush. Yeah, there's no damage in there, so looks okay. Well, I've got it pressed home okay. What I did in the end, I got a larger washer like that sat over the face. Put this other square spanner on it, like that, and then got a lever like this, and then pressed it against the bodywork, so you gently sort of squeeze it on. And there we go, back to the start. Oh, yeah, there's the old seal with the silver paint on it, obviously. That's the way to go. Okay, like and subscribe for more of similar. Cheers.